Mighty Morphin Learning. Hi kids, my name is Mighty Morph and I can change into anything I want. Today, I'm inside a submarine because we're going to learn all about animals that live in the ocean. Submarines allow us to go underwater safely to see all the creatures that live there. Are you ready to submerge? Wow, this is fun! But the best way to observe a fish is to act like one, don't you think? This is way better than holding my breath. So that you can learn about animals that live in the ocean, I'm going to change into different shapes of sea creatures. Once you see the shape, call out its creature name if you know it, and then I'll finish changing into it. Are you ready? Okay, here goes. Octopus. Great job. Now let's try this one. Seahorse. The next creature can grow to over 120 feet long. Would you like to see it? Jellyfish. Here's a tough one. Are you ready? Scallop. The next creature moves using tube feet. Starfish. Starfish are also known as sea stars. Now how about this one? Crab. Do you think you can name the next sea creature? It can also live on land. Sea turtle. I think I should go find my submarine now. I hope you had fun learning about sea creatures and thanks for all your help. Don't forget to subscribe for more Mighty Morphin Learning. Here comes my ride.